The Rack Shop is proud to present this Kia Telluride with the factory flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail foot pack base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Thule WingBar Evo 135, that's 53 inches in length, the Thule flush rail Evo foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit 186095. So this is shown with the black load bar, but silver is also available. Year range is from 2020 to current, but check the description below for updated year ranges. So overall, you have a 165-pound carrying capacity, a max crossbar spacing of 27.5 inches, but that is adjustable along the length of the flush side rail. So this is a great system for pretty much anything you need to carry on this vehicle. This is just a quick look at this dirty Kia Telluride. For more details and all that good stuff, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.